Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my video resume. I am MD Shuman Ali. I am a student of Department of Law at Daffodil International University. I am come from Shirazganj. I passed my SSC exam at October High School. I have got GPA 5 out of 5. I passed my HSC exam at Islamia Government College, Shirazganj. I have got GPA 5 out of 5. I am passionate about justice, legal research, and contributing to a fair and equitable society. Now I am certainly pursuing my Bachelor's of Laws at Daffodil International University. I have developed a strong foundation in constitutional law, criminal law, and legal system. I have been actively involved in moot court society recently. Now I have activity involved in moot court competition, legal aids, and academic seminar. My strengths include legal research, case analysis, and public speaking. I have experience preparing case briefs. I am familiar with legal databases. I am expert in the Microsoft Office work. Recently, I have received the Good Leadership Award from my batch. My goal is to become a dedicated legal professional and make a positive impact in the field of human rights and justice in Bangladesh. In this competitive world, no one can be survived without any other skills, and I am also a law student, so that I have also some skills like communication skills, talking skills. I also practice my communication skills and developing day by day. Thank you for my watching video resume. I am excited about the opportunities ahead and look forward to contributing to the legal field with integrity and dedication. Thank you, everyone.